kasaysayan, kababalaghan, politika, current events, at iba pa. Huwag magpahuli, ating alamin, tuklasin dito sa Historiador Filipino.
Para magsalita po ako ng mga involved dito kung kanino po na po. Siyempre, natatakot din po ako sa buhay, sa pamilya ko. Kasi hindi naman po birong tao itong mga involved dito eh.
As I've said, Engineer Bryce, you will be protected by this committee as long as you will say the truth.
Pwede po bang wag nyo na ako ibalik sa Senate, Your Honor? Kasi may mga involved pong senador dito. At hindi ko po alam ang magiging kapalaran ko pag binalik niyo ako doon.
May we know sino yung mga sinasabi mong mga kumukuha or may commitment sa mga senador?
Ako po si Bryce Erickson Hernandez, dating Assistant District Engineer ng Bulacan 1st District Engineering Office. Ako po ay na-contempt kahapon sa Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. Habang ako po ay nakadetain, nakapag-isip po ako at nagdesisyon na maglabas ng ilang nalalaman ko sa flood control project base po sa aking natatandaan sa ngayon. Tama po si Senator Lacson na ang mga engineers ng DPWH ay tila naging legman o bagman na lang. Kung tatanungin niyo po ako kung sino o kanino kami naging bagman, sasagutin ko na po ngayon. Sabi ni Senator Marcoleta kahapon, ligtas ka na.
Mr. Diskaya, sa dami-dami mong binanggit na pangalan na kongresista, silang tanong ko, Senador, meron ba?
Your Honor, wala po.
Safe ka na.
Sigurado po.
I resent that statement, Mr. Chair. I resent that statement.
Safe ka na.
I move that you strike of the record that you
alam mo naman, biro lang naman yun eh. Wala yun.
Hindi po ito totoo. Si Senator Jinggoy Ejercito Estrada, Senator Joel Villanueva, Yusek Robert Bernardo, at D. Alcantara. Si Senator Jinggoy po ay nagbaba ng 355 million ngayong 2025 sa mga ilang projects sa Bulacan. Ang sabi po ng boss ko dito ay 30% ang commitment dito. Ang mga projects po na to ay first, construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate, Phase 3, Barangay Mercado, Hagonoy, Bulacan, with an allocation of 60 million pesos. Number 2, construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate at Mambog Creek, Phase 3, Malolo City, Bulacan, with an amount of 45 million pesos. Construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate, Phase 3, Barangay Iba, Hagonoy, Bulacan, amounting to 60 million pesos. Construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station at Calero Creek, Phase 3, Malolo City, Bulacan, with an amount of 50 million pesos. Construction of flood control structure including pumping station and floodgate, Phase 3, Barangay Mayto, Kalumpit, Bulacan, with an amount of 60 million pesos. Construction of flood mitigation structure with pumping station and floodgate at Barangay Santo Rosario Creek, Phase 3, Malolo City, Bulacan, with an amount of 40 million pesos. And last, construction of flood mitigation structure including pumping station and floodgate, Phase 3, Barangay Carillo, Hagonoy, Bulacan, with an amount of 40 million pesos. And all of that with a total of 355 million pesos, Your Honor.
This is supposedly the allocation of which political personality?
Senator Jinggoy Ejercito Estrada po, Your Honor.
Thank you for the clarification. You can proceed with reading the handwritten statement.
Mr. Chair, may I continue?
Let him finish the handwritten statement. Tapos lang po yung handwritten statement ng pagbasa.
Nagbaba po si Senator Jinggoy at ang kanyang SOP dito ay 30%. As per our District Engineer Henry Alcantara. I-deliver ito nung lumabas ang mga item na to sa GAA. Mga driver namin sa DPWH Bulacan First ang nag-deliver sa kausap nila. Si Christian Santiago at saka si Andre Balatbat. Galing din ito sa utos ni D. Alcantara. Noong 2023 naman, ay naglabas ng 600 million si Senator Joel Villanueva at ang SOP nito ay 30% din. If I'm not mistaken, sorry. Pwede ko sabihin ko po kung anong mga projects to, mga line item din.
Please proceed with disclosing the line items so the nation may able to tie the line item to the political personality involved.
First, rehabilitation of flood control structure along Balagtas River, Barangay Panginay, Tuwawa, Phase 3, Balagtas, Bulacan, with an amount of 75 million pesos. Construction of Bukawe River Flood Mitigation Structure, Station 12, plus 589 to Station 12, plus 739, at Barangay Bambang, Bukawe, Bulacan, with an amount of 75 million pesos. Construction of Bukawe River Flood Mitigation Structure at Station 4, plus 204 to Station 4, 354, at Barangay Turo, Bukawe, Bulacan, with an amount of 75 million pesos. Construction of Bukawe River Flood Mitigation Structure at Station 3, plus 036 to Station 3, plus 236, at Barangay Kaingin, Bukawe, Bulacan. Construction, this also has an amount of 75 million pesos. Number 5, construction of Bukawe River Flood Mitigation Structure at Station 5 plus 466 to Station 5 plus 667 at Barangay Bulacan, with also an amount of 75 million pesos. Construction of Balagtas River Flood Mitigation Structure at Station 3 plus 533 to 183 at Barangay Santol, Balagtas, Bulacan, with an amount of 75 million pesos also. Construction of Balagtas River Flood Mitigation Structure at Station 7 plus 654 to Station 7 plus 804 at Barangay Dalig, Balagtas, Bulacan. Mitigation Structure at Station 14 plus 124 to Station 14 to 200 plus 274 at Barangay of 600 million pesos.
Can you state again for the record the total amount and that this is the projects for which particular political personality?
600 million pesos last 2023 from Senator Joel Villanueva.
Thank you. Please proceed with your handwritten statement.
At ang SOP nito ay 30% din. Binigay din ito nung lumabas sa GAA at i-deliver sa bahay niya sa Bukawe ni D. Alcantara at dating hepe ng aming construction si Engineer JP Mendoza. Si D. Alcantara namin ang masasabing chief implementor. Siya po ang kumakausap sa lahat ng politiko na involved dito. At least 3% po siya sa lahat ng projects na dumadaan sa opisina namin. At pinapasabi pa nga sa amin sa mga kontraktor na kung gusto nyong magkaroon ng maraming projects sa susunod, ay magbigay kayo ng additional na 2% sa kanya. Parang finder's fee daw. Si D.E. Henry Alcantara po ang usually nagde-deliver sa mga politiko at kay Yusek Robert Bernardo po. Yan po, sabi po nila hindi po sila magkakilala. Baka naman po fan lang siya.
Can we state for the record who the personalities in the picture are?
Yung boss ko po, si Boss Henry Alcantara, at saka po si Senador na akala po niya ligtas na siya.
So again, these are pictures with known personalities during the birthday of Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Is this correct?
To be honest, Your Honor, I do not know when this picture was taken, but I'm just trying to show that Mr. Alcantara, Engineer Henry Alcantara, and Senator Jinggoy Estrada have met a couple of times already.
And they appear, what do they appear? Do they appear close?
And they appear super close, Your Honor.
Kung gusto nyo ng mga ganitong klaseng videos, panoorin, pindutin ang notification bell, mag-subscribe at i-share sa mga kaibigan. Maraming salamat po. Hanggang sa susunod dito sa Historiador Filipino.